Hi, I'm Chef Dan with FreshPoint, and today I brought along my favorite summer item. This is Long and Scott's world famous triple sweet Zellwood corn. Grown off of Lake Apopka in Lake County, Florida. This seasonal gem is prized by chefs throughout the region, in fact throughout the country, for its tender kernels and its ultra sweet flavor. Picked and chilled daily, this corn holds its sugar better than any other variety grown. Consider using it raw, straight off the cob, tossed with a little lime juice, some chili peppers, cilantro, onions, and a little mayonnaise for an elote style corn salad. Better yet, soak the whole ear in lightly salted water, throw them on your grill for 45 minutes, and you've got a wonderful grilled corn side dish for your summertime barbecue. I'm Chef Dan, and fresh things come from FreshPoint. Please click the subscribe button below.